Okay, it's Youthoracle, aka Vandalizer, repping Vendetta, bigging up Fable on the beat, Rogue FM and the PNG crew. Thursday 5 till 7, bigging up man like SOLERO, Copious, GA, Neon, bigging up Pubman and Dub Rider. The beats made by Fable, we don't play no games. The beats made by Fable, we don't play no games. The beats made by Fable, we don't play no games. The beats made by Fabes. Youthracle's a conundrum, in conjunction with Fabes on production. This wave's like a dungeon, rubbered up with flex mist or the M8 is the function. Me, I can't go down like Dolph Lundgren, local talent from not London. So promoters should show love, but bear man book MCs and don't fund them. The lyrics are too tight but they're not shrunken, so skank to your foot, cut a bunion. Cause I drop bars fully and they bring tears to your eyes like you chopped up an onion. Not on a mad one if it's not drunken, only when I'm pissed is when I act troublesome. But Youthoracle, I'm not a chavin, I'm not a ruffian. The beat's made by Fabes, so it's no wonder Fabes get praised. They'll go mad if it's played in rave, booming at the mouth and panting like they got rabies craze. Mixed with Youthracle's amazing ways, Vandal, everything he says it stays in your head for days and days, for weeks, for years, just be left gazing days. So the beat's made by Fabes, it's the kind of beat any raver craze, with a bass so dark it's like black magic, even making corpses raise from grey. It's even on radio gaining plays, so if everyone in the rave behaves, we can get moving and making waves. That's Youthoracle, now take it Fabes. No Fabes, don't play no games. And Youthoracle don't play no games. No Fabes, don't play no games. And Youthoracle don't play no games. The beat's made by Fabes, so it's no wonder Fabes gets praised. They'll go mad if it's played in rave, foaming at the mouth and panting like they got rabies craze. Mixed with Youthracle's amazing ways, Vandal, everything he says it stays in your head. Days and days, for weeks, for years, you just be left gazing days. So the beat's made by Fabes, it's the kind of beat any raver craze, with a bass so dark like black magic, even making corpses raise from graves. It's even on radio gaining plays, so if everyone in the rave behaves, we can get moving and making waves. That's Youthoracle, now take it Fabes. Fabes don't play no games, don't make no claims, come on, make no change, yeah, rainbow aims. No Fabes don't play no games, it's not somehow I got Play-Doh brain, I won't say no names, but they're all losers and make no games. And Youthoracle don't play no games, straight profane, that he's a free spirit and ain't no change, You'll take those pains, and take those strains. Government, we're gonna take those reins, wait until my mixtape goes rain. We don't play no games. Yeah, look out to prepare for the storm. Look out for stage 2, 1,000 bars of euphoria, old type concept. That's Youthoracle, aka Vandal. Fable on the beat, we don't play no games. Old type GA.